All right, so let's wait for a few more minutes and we can start. All right. So let's start with the today's webinar. So hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Thank you for joining us today's community webinar, that is XDC Tech Webinar 8.0. Today we are excited to introduce one of our ecosystem partner, iVoice, and its a powerful features. In this session, we will walk you through a live demo of the platform to showcase its capabilities. Let us start with the quick introduction to our team and our guest as well. So myself, Omkar Mestri, Head of Technology and Engineering at XDC Network. Joining me is Mr. Anil Chinsable, who is the Head of Protocol Development at XDC Network, and also Suresh Nadar, who leads the social media for XDC Network. Also joining us today, Ms. Disha Paul, who is a co-founder at iVoice and ecosystem partner with the XDC Network. Thank you for joining us today, Disha.
Thank you so much for inviting me today, Omkar.
Cool. So moving forward with the XDC Network presentation, as you all know that Zinfin was founded in the year 2016, registered in Singapore with a headquarters in Dubai and India. We have launched the XDC Network mainnet in the year 2019, and it's live more than 5 years now. We are EVM compatible layer 1 blockchain network powered by the XDC token, which supports the entire XDC ecosystem. XDC network is a hybrid blockchain network which actually combines, the public and the private networks, and making it suitable for both the sectors. If anyone wanted to run and use the XDC network, currently it's running on the delegated proof of stake, which is the XDPOS consensus mechanism system, which allowing us the fast transactions, low energy use, and the high efficiency. And it will perfect for, as I mentioned, that it will be perfect for both the industries. Like anyone can use this, like trade and finance, or any industry can take an advantage of using the XDC network. Just on the side note that we have recently upgraded with our network, which is the XDC 2.0, which has a military grade security and advanced forensic monitoring for the XDC network. Here are some advantages for the XDC network. So we have achieved over 2,000 transactions per second with the 2 to 3 seconds of a block time. We also offer near to zero transaction fees. We also have a KYC enabled masternode to ensure the compliance and the regulatory requirements in any country. We have a ready developer tools like Wallet, Explorer, Remix to deploy the smart contract. So let us check the layer, the network highlights. So with the current at the current stage, right? So we have a more than 17,000 plus smart contract already running on the deployed on the XDC network, with the total accounts of 3 million plus, and the transactions which we have completed, which is 6 million plus. Currently, we have a current master nodes, 108, who are actually validating the blocks on the network. Also, we have a standby nodes, which is 250 plus, right? So market cap is almost 2 billion, right? And the stake XDC tokens is approximately $3 billion. So here's few of the wallets where the XDC can be stored. So we have a Gorda, we have a FreePal, we have a Elipal, Free Wallet, Trezor, Ledger, Decent, and there are many. I mean, you can find out all those information on the Zinfin website. I'll share the link in the chat box later. Similarly, XDC is getting traded with these top exchanges, like we have XDC listed in Bitfinex, Gate.io, KuCoin, Liquid, Bytrue, HTX, Bitgate, and there are many more. I mean, we have almost more than 22 plus exchanges where the XDC is getting traded on the daily basis. We have been also running with the XDC Incubation and the Acceleration Program, which is dedicated to empowering the Web3 startups and the innovators. We offer the mentorship, funding, and the access to the XDC ecosystem. So if you have any product or planning to, launch your product using the XDC network, you can apply through any of our cohort program by just scanning the QR code, which is getting displayed in the slide. These are our the ecosystem partners. Like we have a Comtech Gold, which is again Dubai-based organization. They have a CGO token, which is completely packed on the gold. We have a Storex. We have a Securitize. We have a TradeTech, C Currency, and Stasis, and there are many more which are there on the websites. Yeah, so you can follow us on the the Telegram. Our Telegram handle is XDC underscore network underscore updates. We also have we can you can track all our development records on the GitHub. So Zinfin.org is our GitHub name. We have more than 108K followers over the Twitter, and our handle is XDC underscore network. We have a YouTube channel as well, which is @Zinfin XDC network. We are there on the Medium, and our official website is www.zinfin.org. Thank you. So let's hear more about the iVoice from Disha and its platform for the demo. Disha, over it to you.
Thank you, Omkar. I will just share my screen. Just give me a
Sure.
second.
Let me just stop sharing my screen first.
Yep. Just give me a second. Yep.
Sure.
Is my screen visible?
Yes, Disha, you're good to go.
Yeah. So, hello everyone. My name is Disha. I'm the co-founder and director of iVoice. So today I'm going to present to you of what is iVoice and what is our purpose. What is our purpose? So, what is iVoice? So, iVoice is a community platform for the people, by the people, and of the people, enabling people to vote on every issue every time. So, over here, we are driving a global direct democracy movement. So, over the past many decades, we have seen a lot of problems in this democracy system, in this engagement process. So, in the traditional community engagement, we have seen a couple of things like the system is pretty slow, it is centralized, hard to access, often ignored, and what it feels like the system is absolutely broken. So at iVoice, we come up with a couple of solutions which we see that we need to cater to at the moment. Like, for example, we are a platform where there's a non-binary voting, a non-partisan platform, non-ideological platform, and definitely a platform where you get sentiment analysis. So, what we exactly do in iVoice? So, in iVoice, we record your voice, then AI converts them into a vote securely on the blockchain. So, in iVoice, there are three systems that we follow. First is we run the campaigns, we run votes through where you get to get the sentiments. And then for every participation, the end user or the voter gets a reward. It's as simple as that. So how does our business model looks like? It's a community engagement platform where we have voters who are going to be subscribing for a membership. And on the other side, we have the clients who are going to pay for every campaign. So what does a voter get? from the platform. So a voter gets to vote on any issue. They cast their vote anonymously and securely. And for every participation, they get the token. And then they track real-time results and public sentiment and see input drive real-world policy influence. So people's voice is a powerful tool for us. For the clients, what they get from our platform. So they get to create issue based on polls or questions. They can reach verified audience communities, and they can of course incentivize communities at the very same time. They receive transparent, tamper-proof voting data. They get access to dashboards and sentiment analysis, and use those data to shape better policies, products, or campaigns. So why voice token? Voice token is not just a token, but it is a tool to empower the voices in the ecosystem. So the voice token powers that incentivizes active participation. It rewards high quality engagement, and of course, it can be staked to raise new issues. So currently we are onboarding customers. So our first customer is Rangoli Radio. So Rangoli Radio is a community radio station in Leeds. And secondly, there's a university called USLLS in Delhi. So we will be onboarding a university as well. So apart from these kind of clients, I wanted to give a little bird's eye view on the different kind of use cases that can happen in iVoice. There can be civic community engagement, where where a community can vote on like parks, on transport, on routes. Then like Rangoli Radio, there can be other medias like DAZN and other platforms who can vote on shows, formats, seasons. Then even for sports and fan engagement, this platform will be appropriate, where they can have fan engagement about the games and earn rewards. And of course, for corporates and products like McDonald's, Mercedes, or BMW, they can also do real-time feedbacks and products and launches and campaigns. So how does the platform look like? So in the platform, we have an interface where you do the voting, a community engagement interface. In the backend, we have the XDC blockchain for voting. So whatever votes people cast, it reflects in the XDC blockchain. Then we have the result sharing, where the sentiments of voters will be gathered. And of course, the community behavior analysis, polling data, and prediction for clients will be accessible. So how does our roadmap look like? So currently we are a live platform. The next we're going to look forward is to do a roadshow with Terra Forum. We'll be launching voice token listing, and we'll do private sale. We will launch the loyalty reward program. And then, of course, we're going to do a global launch for a community sign up. So this is our team. So we have Joy, me, we have Wayne, we have Divya Kant, who is leading the tech. So the iVoice journey has been a pretty long journey for us. We have won Digital Leaders People Choice Award in 2023. We were also nominated for the Technology Entrepreneur of the Year by the Great British Entrepreneur Award. We have been published in many medias for the past so many years. And we are supported by the Department of Business and Trade UK, Investors, Gyaka Capital, and Gloss. And as I've said, we are a live platform. So please, I will suggest everyone to, grab your phones and do a scan, and you can right away start voting on campaigns. And please, I would love to get a feedback from everyone. And of course, there's a link. I will leave the link as well here. And thank you for listening to me today. And I will leave the barcode and the link over here so that if anyone would like to try, and please, your feedback will be really helpful. Thank you so much for having me today. And I will stop sharing my screen. Over to you, Omkar.
Hey, thank you, Disha. Thank you very much for the introduction to the iVoice to all our
Yeah.
users. Suresh would like to share some updates from his end. Over to you, Suresh.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. Yes. Absolutely. I think I've seen that on LinkedIn. I was very interested about specifically about that card. I didn't get a chance to come back and ask anyone, but thank you for telling me about this today. Mm. Hmm. Hmm. Absolutely. Yes. Brilliant. Yes. Yes, it's absolutely fine. Please take your time. Yes. Yes, I will prefer some business questions because I come from the business background. If you have a technical question, not a problem. I can get back to you on the technical questions as well. Okay, I will happily come back with to you with this question because I am not the tech person for you. I sincerely apologize. I will get this answer for you. Yes. Currently, we will be going for the KYC route. We are still in discussion about the verification mechanism. So that's a very good question because we are already having a conversation regarding that. And currently, as it's a blockchain, so the voter stays anonymous. I hope that answers to your question. Oh no, not a problem, Eddie. So, what countries are states? Okay, so we are currently focusing on UK and India. We are starting from Yorkshire, from here, from England, and from for the Indian market, we are targeting Delhi and few more other cities. So yeah, it's an agnostic platform. It will be all over the world. Everyone can access. But as we are in the starting point, so we just want to take in, we want to do in small steps. And I would also love if everyone can send me feedbacks about the app, about the experience, how they feel like. That will be really appreciated. I can send the link. Of course, let me do that. Yes, that's a good idea. I'll just do that. Mhm. Yes. I will get back to you with that. This is a purely technical question. I will come back to you with that. I'll keep a note of these questions and I'll send these answers. Yes, I will show you the demo. Yes. Okay, I will share my screen. Yeah, is my screen visible? Yeah. Okay. So what I'm going to do is this is going to be the login register screen. I will continue with my Google account. And this is once you land in the app, this is what you see. You see all the active campaigns here. And every campaign has their own informations like the starting date and the end date, the platform statistics. Then in the hamburger menu, we have the home, profile, active campaigns, history. So I'll get on to voting so I can show you what happens. So for example, if I select this one, so every campaign comes with a picture, a title, and a description about the campaign. So, and then you have the campaign performance and the overview statistics. Then you have the voter demographics where it reflects positive, negative, and the neutral sentiments. And then you have the campaign details. So let's just quickly go through the campaign. What is it about? So it's about. Now it's time to vote. So I'm going to click on the vote button and start recording. So in my opinion, startups should get investments from the right set of investors. So you can listen to your own recording. If you're very happy with it, you can submit the vote. Or if you're not happy with it, you can record it again. I am happy with my recording, so I just submit my vote. Yes, and it's done. And as I've given a very neutral kind of a statement, so of course it has come to the neutral sentiment, and 5 votes have been done. So this is how easy it is to vote on the platform. If you have any questions, please ask me if you like. And I would like everyone to try as well. The pleasure is all mine.